Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be stripping cameraman's Subaru Forester to get it ready to be Raptor lined. So let's do that right now. Oh wow, would you look at this treasure trove? Isn't it great when your car pays for itself? Got all the change. We're gonna pour Coke on it and see how it looks in the next hour or two. You can hear it working. You guys like ASMR? Get out, thank you. Whoa! All right, other side. Ah! Get through. All right, so the first step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my little Sharpie here and look for dents and just mark them. Time to tape some stuff up. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. And now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. All right, now I'm gonna be focusing on the parts that I'm gonna be bondoing. I'm gonna get them down to bare metal so I can Bondo over them and then smooth them out later. All right, now it's time to Bondo. All right, so now it's time to pressure wash the outside and remove any debris that might still be on there, and then hit some spots that I might have missed with some wet sand, and then also clean out the door jambs so I can primer them. Let's do it. The paint prep is done. Everything's bondoed and primered over and smoothed out and ready to get Raptor lined on. Have you had to paint prep a car? And if you have, how difficult was it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see this get Raptor lined, stay tuned for the next video. If you stayed around, you get to see what the dirty pennies and change look like. Come on, come on. Let's see how, actually, I want to see how old some of these are. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.